Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 25H2 right now. It is not yet officially out, but there are ways to install it. How do you do that? From the search, type in settings, and you'll see settings here. Click on this, and from the left hand side, go to Windows Update. And from here, you need to update your system first before you do this. So make sure your system is completely up to date. And if possible, press this button on and scroll down until you see Windows Insider Program. So click on this. And from here, what is the Windows Insider Program? Basically, it allows you to preview early Windows versions, including this version you can do right now. Right here, I'm enrolled already, so I don't need to do it, but it's going to ask you to enroll in the Windows Insider Program, and you click on that. There's a couple of different options, but you want to click on the beta option. That allows you to beta test new versions of Windows. And after you have done that, you need to open diagnostics and feedback. And from here, you need to send optional diagnostic data. After you have enrolled, you'll be able to download this newest version of Windows 11 25H2. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave this video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.